Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's been a long time coming, but I finally got a new bag. This one I got for myself, and I wouldn't have gotten this because if it was really good, if it wasn't a really good price, so that's why I got it. I am so excited to share it today, guys. But it didn't come with a box, but it is such a beautiful bag. I wouldn't have gotten it if it wasn't on my wish list. I do have a wish list that I've shared to you guys already, and I am putting removing and also putting a new wish list there, and some that I figured I don't think I'm going to want it as much. This is like the perfect spring bag. For me, it's the perfect spring bag, but you can really transition it to summer. And I think I can do it for like the whole year because we are in a tropical country, so it's evidently easy for me to pair it with any of my outfits. So let's get into unboxing it first, and I'll share you a little bit of the story. So here's the bag. And it's such a beautiful bag, and the color is yummy, chef's kiss. So this bag, as you can see already, I put it in another dust bag. It doesn't come with this dust bag, it came with the dust bag inside, and I just really wanted to kind of share it to you guys in a bit of a twist. Now evidently you guys know already what kind of color it is. Probably you can see it there. I might purchase a dust bag that is a bit darker so that you wouldn't be able to see what's inside. So let's get into it. Now, the color is a specific shade. I wouldn't have gotten it if it was a specific, not this specific shade. Now, I had one before. I think I revealed one before. I think it was a fall bag, and it was a gift that we gifted for someone. I don't know if I mentioned it there, but it's secret. Now, I've always loved this color. So it's a yellow bag, but I wanted a specific yellow bag. Now, the reason why it took me a while to get a yellow bag, because the first time I got one and I didn't know if I was gonna keep it, but then yes, like I said, I didn't keep it because it wasn't the color that I really wanted. So I found it now, and it was harder for me to figure out if I wanted it in a silver hardware or in a gold hardware. And because I got the other one before that I just decided to gift it, I said, okay, I don't want it in this combination and I wanted a specific color. So this is the specific color, and honestly guys, it is so beautiful. And to reveal, okay, so this is, I think it's close to Jean Poussin. So it's a baby, or like a pale pastel yellow bag. This is a Birkin 25 inspired bag in Togo cowhide. Okay, this is cowhide leather. It's beautiful, and there is no graining. I'm not sure if there's another leather like similar to Togo that has lesser veining, because usually Togo does have veining. So this one doesn't, and I'm happy with it. So this is it, and as you can see, there are all the stickers. Oh, it's so adorable. Now I had to fix my lighting because I wanted to really show you the color of this bag, and it's a beautiful baby yellow. I really enjoyed it because the last one that I got that I thought I would really like was actually a very mustard yellow, which I don't think it was the perfect color for me, or the perfect shade yellow for me. And then so far I've been experimenting on different clothes, and I figured what specific yellow that I really look good on, and so I figured out this one. So this is such a beautiful bag, and it's in gold hardware because I figured I still didn't want it in a silver hardware. And I did look at of course the real Hermes and what they got, and with that's close to the pastel yellow, which was Jean Poussin, and that was beautiful in a silver hardware. But I think I really wanted it in a gold hardware, especially on a Birkin. It looks good on a gold hardware because since it's a very casual bag, and I still want to use it not only as a casual bag but also sometimes, of course, wearing a more formal look, and I think it's beautiful. Now it has the stickers on it. It has the stickers, of course the plastic cover here. So we're going to open it right now. So it has, of course, the felt cover. And it has some fillers, which is good. And of course, let's remove this because I will be wearing this so much, because here it's like practically almost all the time summer, apart from the rainy or monsoon seasons. So I got this one, and the lucky part, like I said, it's an inspired or Birkin inspired, not the Birkin dupe, is because it has handles. It has, as we call it, straps. So this one has two strap holes again. So I've been really thinking of, I really want a Birkin in 25. I said before that I think 25 to me is small, or it's like a smaller bag to me. I don't want a mini Kelly. I can't handle a mini Kelly because I don't think it's very practical. So I got a Birkin 25 because I already tried a lot of the Kelly 25, much more or less the structured one, which is the Cellier. But this I really want that's like a relaxed color, but bright, a pop of color. This will look good in so many outfits, even jeans. I am actually very excited to wear this with jeans. This might be my white casual bag because I do have a beautiful Kelly one that was gifted to me by my hubby on our anniversary, and it was a beautiful milk tea color, and that one is a bit more formal, and I think this one maybe, you know, kind of tones it down. It's perfect for like jeans. And so yeah, so inside it has the zipper pocket at the back, and then at the front is just one pocket there. And of course it includes some silica gels, and I will of course right now remove the covers and the stickers. Okay, so it was kind of hard to remove them because I did cut my nails, but this, okay, I am so excited to use already. Like immediately I wanna wear this. It's such a cute bag, and I can really see that it's very casual, that I could like easily wear. I'm not yet gonna put on the strap because I really like bring it like this. Now, the only reason also why I pushed through, because I was thinking about getting a 25 because I wasn't sure if I really wanted a 25, just because I know that on a 25 the handles are really small, that you can't really fit your hands. Well, right now I can't fit my hands, which is great because it's a bit tall, but it's not like you could really put it in the crooked of your arm. That's very comfortable because it's gonna sag on my elbows. So that's something that I am thinking about, that I am I don't think it was like the best idea, but since this one has some, you know, long strap, I would really enjoy wearing it. But right now I'm just, you know, I enjoy actually going out and holding the bag like this, like a top handle. But if I don't, I still have to make sure that I do have some some straps here that are really nice. I will not put them yet just because I know that I'm gonna enjoy it first, wearing it like this. And for sure that the first time I'm able to go out this summer, I am going to use this. This will be also perfect for spring, but like I said, I had to open this in the summer season, so c'est la vie. But yeah, I just can't. I can't, you know, I can't fault it. It took me a while to think, okay, I think I really want a yellow bag, and for once in a lifetime I got the yellow bag, and it's so pretty. I mean, in a 25 I really can. I'm not sure if I'm going to take it on a, I don't know, uh, on a specific summer vacation. I don't know about it. It depends because like I said, I still have a beautiful baby toddler that she's hyped up, and I'm not sure if I'm willing to, but I will still, because like I said, I bought these bags because I want to enjoy them. I love the art, I love the creativity, I love how it looks, and I want to enjoy it, not just to display it. So yeah, yeah, that's the bag. This has been a bit more lengthy than I was hoping for, but like I said, I really enjoyed the bag. I'm so excited to pair this. This is so easy, and like I said, I got this from China, and I got it in Shopee, of course, the shop there. I will link it down below. I really, really love this. Now, I'm not getting any commission from this shop. I just really, really like the shop, okay? I really, really wanted to enjoy this, and yeah, there are so many other colors there that are available, and honestly, it depends on you what size you like. I do have a size 30 there, but I do think that I would be enjoying a size 25 also. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. I hope you guys ring the bell for notifications of things that I really want to suggest to you guys, other lifestyle updates, other things that I'm planning to do, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!